Village Home Stores understands the importance of the home you create for you and your family. And deciding when is the right time to downsize or remodel your home is an important step for everyone. Many of our project management remodel customers are interested in investing in features that will allow them to age at home more comfortably. This could simply mean a design responding to an entertaining need, like adding space for larger family gatherings. It can also mean making other changes, like installing a shower or tub area that's more accessible, or perhaps moving the location of your laundry units for easier, safer daily use. These are just a few examples of common home improvement investments we can help our customers make so they can remain in their homes safer and longer. From accessible walk-in showers to an easier dishwasher to unload, our team of designers is ready to help listen to your needs and design an ideal space for you. Our next completed kitchen tour takes us to Alpha, Illinois, where we have created a stylish and functional kitchen layout packed with great features. Many elements of this new tour are ideal for customers who are interested in aging at home. Take a look. The original kitchen was tucked into the back corner of the home and had a U-shape with a kitchen peninsula that projected back into it. And now, welcome to this bright and cheerful new kitchen in Alpha, Illinois. One of the main goals of the new kitchen design was to create a functional new space that allowed for added storage and seating. The new design now has enough space to include a small kitchen table in addition to seating at the new island. To achieve this layout, we extended the back of the home out with an addition of about 10 feet in depth and 20 feet in length. This allowed us to nearly double the area of the new design, not just in usable space, but in purpose for the room itself. No longer is this just a kitchen. Now this is a home office, a casual dining area, a multi-user kitchen, and even a laundry room. That's right, before we show you around the kitchen, allow us to begin with one of the most enviable features, a hidden laundry area right here in the hub of this home. Two tall pantry cabinet fronts open to reveal a pair of front-load laundry units from our Maytag line. Each unit is installed on top of matching pedestals for easier access to load and unload laundry. Added storage is also available within these pedestals. This laundry pair includes great features like an internal water heater, sanitized cycle, allergen cycle, steam settings, and even a fresh hold fan in the back of the washer. As an added peace of mind, the laundry set is backed by Maytag's 10-year limited parts warranty. Many of the new construction plans we see at Village include laundry located in a more accessible area of the home. This can sometimes be closer to the bedrooms or master suite in a home, or even a utility closet or mudroom area. Nobody likes to travel across their home or even down to the basement with baskets full of laundry, but in a remodel, we don't always have the luxury of available space for a laundry area. At this home addition in Alpha, the added square feet on the back of the home freed up an area to include laundry in the new multi-use space. The large center kitchen island can even be used as a comfortable folding and sorting area. Just steps away from the laundry units is a multifunctional kitchen space. A beautiful new kitchen of cabinetry from our Dura Supreme line in the Hudson door style and a maple wood painted with the linen color on the kitchen perimeter and a gray paint named zinc on the kitchen island. Sparkling Cambria quartz countertops in the Berwyn design adds character and color to the space. The use of a decorative OG edge profile is a single decision that makes such a big impact. Look at the way the light catches the quartz and adds dimension to the colors throughout. A 43 to 45 inch wide pathway of space surrounds the kitchen island, so it's easy and accessible for multiple users to navigate. In the kitchen island, there are two wide stacks of drawers, and in the very center, a narrow spice drawer. One of the wide drawers is fit with a pegboard system to help organize and store dishes. Many of our customers find they are far more comfortable lifting a dish up from a drawer to the counter than reaching up high into a wall cabinet. Cabinet hardware and placement can be an important choice to make when designing with the intent to age at home. The original kitchen in this home had knobs centered on the wall cabinet doors. This can be extremely difficult for many to reach comfortably. The new kitchen hardware is much easier to operate and reach. This spice drawer stack adds decorative interest, but can also be very helpful and practical for many kitchens. In this space, they are the perfect size to organize anything from spices to medications and pet supplies. On the subject of pet supplies, we love the use these homeowners have found for the second bin in their pull-out wastebasket cabinet. Storage for pet food within reach, but out of sight and sniff when closed. Another great pet idea is to designate a lower cabinet drawer like this for pet dishes or items. We also love a feature right above the doggy drawer, a raised dishwasher. Raising an appliance to a more manageable and accessible height is a feature any user of any age and ability can appreciate. Who wouldn't love to load and unload the dishwasher without having to lean down? Next to the raised dishwasher is the kitchen sink. Beneath it is another great storage solution to make cleaning supplies more accessible and organized. 3 art glass pendant lights add a fun amount of life and color to the space. They look great off and on. Along with the colorful art glass pendants, this great new kitchen also has a fun and playful detail in the tiled backsplash. A classic and neutral subway tile has been installed as the field tile, and a row of accent tile adds a fun detail. This tile is named Streamline Ivy, and the color used here is Shadow Gray. Of course, we couldn't place a basic white outlet over this tile design. That would take away from the designer look. Our adorned series of switches and outlets upgrade the look of any wall surface, painted or tiled. We have so many color options available. And this kitchen, like many in the Village Home Show, includes our diode, low-voltage LED under-cabinet tape lighting. The perfect way to showcase any new space. This kitchen turned out amazing, and there are so many wonderful features we didn't even have a chance to touch on in this tour. We absolutely love the privilege to work with our clients and their own wish list of items. We want to help our clients check off as many things as possible off of that wish list with an expert design and installation. Our remodel process involves conversations with you before we begin that design phase. This process helps us to get to understand your needs and budget before we begin creating the design for your space. That way we can keep you on track and within your budget throughout the selection and estimating phase. These clients reached out to us after they saw an episode of our show, and now they have an amazing and accessible new kitchen to enjoy. We thank them for their business and for opening their home up to you to take a look around.